Hello students, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to study about saltatory conduction. Now see, you know very well, axon of PNS is surrounded by the myelin sheet which is made by the Schwann cell. The Schwann cells are the one which make the myelin sheet over the axon, and some part where the myelin sheet is absent, that part is known as nodes of Ranvier. So the part where the myelin sheet is absent, that is known as nodes of Ranvier. Clear? So saltatory conduction is a process by which you can say action potential will jump from one node of Ranvier to another. And this obviously you can see when the axon is myelinated. You know very well Schwann cell will produce the myelin sheet and nodes of Ranvier will be created. So it enables the action potential to move very fast because ion movements can occur only at the nodes of Ranvier because myelin sheet is impermeable to ions. Ion pumps, voltage gated channels, they are also seen at the nodes. Depolarization, repolarization will occur at this area only. Or you can say this mode of action potential transmission is very important for cell because it requires less energy to maintain membrane potential by use of sodium potassium exchange pump. So you can see here, if suppose the impulse is moving in this direction, please check. So here what is going on? Localized current is established, and this current is established only from the nodes of Ranvier to the another. From one nodes of Ranvier to the another. This is nodes of Ranvier to the another. Is it clear? You know very well, for depolarization, sodium ion has to go inside, and for repolarization, potassium ion has to come out. So this is the way the action potential is jumping from one nodes of Ranvier to another. We say this type of conduction is known as saltatory conduction. Clear? Now see the difference between the myelinated and unmyelinated. Let us see. See here, this is the myelinated axon. You can see the diagram, you will find action potential is jumping from one nodes of Ranvier to another. Please check. Because here only you will find ion channels are there, you will find voltage gated channels are there. But in case of unmyelinated axon, it will be very much time taking because they are moving very slowly and they have to travel the entire axon. Is it clear? So I hope so this video might be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.